Hello YouTubers, millionaires, future millionaires. My name is Ali, and on this website we use the internet or leverage the internet and make money using affiliate marketing. If this is something you're interested in, making money online, click that subscribe button and let's get started. What I want to do today is I want to like kind of rant, but I don't want to do it without wasting your with just wasting a whole video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in Canva and do a Canva tutorial and let you guys know basically what I have in mind as we're doing the video. But my rant is about something very interesting, which is when I started my online business, I thought it was going to be an easy process, or not easy. I always knew there was work involved. I thought it was going to take a lot less time, but I was quite naive to think that building an online business is something that's going to happen very quickly. I'm beginning to find out otherwise, so I just wanted to share that point with you guys. When you start an online business, don't expect to be successful overnight. There's a lot of work to put in. It's like building a new business and starting a new business. So you have to be patient, and you have to self-develop. You have to educate yourself. You have to study and study. It really sucks, that you have to I've already went to college and I studied one thing, and now I'm starting another thing, which is digital marketing. But you know what? I enjoy what I do, and if this is something you guys are interested in, doing an online marketing, I think it's a great idea, and I think you should stick to it if you get started. That's the key, is to kind of just stick to it. Now, a lot of people get tired, and then, oops, sorry about that. I apologize, guys. A lot of people get tired. Let me move this over here. Clicking on the wrong buttons here. I got too many monitors, sorry. But anyway, some people get tired right in the middle of the road, and they don't want to continue. They just kind of like, they said, I'm done, and they just walk away from it. And the key to success here, in my opinion, is to persevere and be consistent. And if you just stay at it and don't give up so easily, you'll be able to do really, really well. You just have to learn. You have to master one skill. What I'm trying to do over here, as far as the YouTube thumbnail that I'm trying to build, it's for a video that I just uploaded a couple minutes ago, but I haven't had a chance to, what do you call it, haven't had a chance to build a thumbnail to that YouTube video. So I'm coming back here, and I decided to build one very quickly, and at the same time it'll be a good tutorial for those of you guys that need some knowledge in what do you call it, in using Canva. And also I will discuss this business opportunity that I have over here, which is pretty sweet. These two gentlemen here, Mark and Gail, they teach you how to use WordPress and build websites and rank them and start making a lot of money off of them. If any of you guys are interested in doing something like that, the link's going to be in the description. You can check them out. These guys are incredible. They have decades upon decades of expertise between the two of them. They really know so much about the field. And I took the course a couple months ago, and I am absolutely impressed by both of these gentlemen and the whole team. They're all incredible. I'm very impressed with everybody. The Facebook group, the private Facebook group, is incredible, and it's and I think it's one of the coolest feature that they have in the training here. Basically, what I decided to do, this is pretty quick and pretty easy. Facebook, not Facebook, what do you call it? YouTube thumbnail. All I did is took a photo of the two gentlemen, put WordPress right in the middle. This is stuff you can find online. Put a, what do you call it? money over here, just to let them know it's a business opportunity, make money online opportunity. And because of that, I'm going to delete this. Actually, I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to put this icon here, which is basically what this video is all about, starting an online business. Maybe I should make this bigger. Yeah, I'm going to take that and put it up here. I know this is not the best, what do you call it, thumbnail that I've designed, but just trying to show you guys how basically this software works, which is pretty cool. It's real simple, and it's also a free tool for you to design whatever you want, whether it's Pinterest, whether it's YouTube, it doesn't matter what application, a Facebook post, Canva can do this, and it's a great free tool that I recommend for everybody. But anyway, these guys here, what they do, they build website and they rank them. They have eventually using SEO and backlinks and a lot of methods to rank the website up. Once you get enough traffic coming into your website, say around 50,000, somewhere around there, 40,000, if you have that many people coming visiting every month, that website will rank up, and eventually it can be sold for lots of money, and it'll be able to give you the chance to be financially independent. They know WordPress really, really well. Between Gail, I think this guy has 10 years experience, and that guy has 10 years experience or something like that. But they have been doing it for quite some time. You can tell from the training. I'm going to put the link in the description that these guys know quite a bit about this, about what they teach. One thing I like to do here, I like to use that thumbnail, me pointing my finger thing. I like to put that right here. And I like to put that click here button. Okay. I think that looks pretty good. And I need to write something. What am I going to call this? Hold on a second. I think I have something in mind. Give me a moment here. I'm going to have to come over here. Here we go. That's good. I'm going to grab the slogan here that I put together a little bit ago. And I'm going to come back here. I'm going to click on text. I hope this video is helping you guys out. Click right here. Control V. I'm going to delete all that extra stuff. I think what I'm going to do with this is stretch it all the way out and put it at the very top. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move this down. Okay. I'm going to move this down here. Alright. And I'm going to take this up here. That's not working out. Here's what I'll do. I'll take this up and move this down. Yeah, that might work. That's perfect. Let's do that. Have fun, make money, and make a difference. These two gentlemen actually have the ability to teach you all three. They're a lot of fun, and they teach you how to make money, and they show you how to make a difference in people's life. They're very, very good at what they do, using WordPress. What else? What else? I think this is pretty good. I really don't want to. I don't like to clutter my thumbnail. I like to keep it real lightweight. So I think that would be good right here. What else could I add on there? Oh, excuse me. I get up real early in the morning, and I'm exhausted around this time. I get up at 5 in the morning. Okay. Put that over here. I think that looks pretty good for only spending 5-10 minutes on this. Well, I mean, not even 10 minutes. It's a lot less. About 5 minutes. It looks pretty good. Is it too cluttered? I'm not sure. Maybe I should shrink this down. Shrink this down. That's good enough. All right, I'm going to go ahead and download it. Again, this is a free tool, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It only took 5 minutes to create a thumbnail. And you know as well as I do, in order to SEO your YouTube channel and rank up, you need to have a good thumbnail. Thumbnail is what the first thing people see before they that's basically what attracts them to click on your video. So if your thumbnail have a nice hook to it and nice graphics, a lot of people outsource them. You can go to places like Canva, or not Canva, I'm sorry, Fiverr, and many other places. I'm going to put the link in the description also for Fiverr. If you guys want to outsource your thumbnail and have them design an absolutely gorgeous thumbnail for you, there's people that do just graphics. I believe that's what it's called. They design, they're really good at using WordPerfect, or what's it called, Photoshop, and so on and so forth. All right, so what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to come back to my YouTube channel, which is right here. Come on. And we're going to go YouTube. We're going to let that load, go to content. We're going to go to here, we're going to edit it. And we're going to come down here. We're going to take that thumbnail that we just designed and we're going to put it right here. That looks beautiful, okay? Before it was kind of like bland and basic. Now it's much better. I absolutely like where it's at. Guys, again, Authority Hacker is a great place to build sites and rank them and turn them into real big money later on. The link is going to be in the description if you guys want to check out the training and the testimony that's available for you. There is free training, check out. These guys will change your life. You can make money, you can have fun, and you can make a difference in your life and other people's life. If this is something you're interested in, just click in the link in the description and give it a try today. Give it a go. See if it's something that you like doing. If you're a part of my channel, I want to thank you so much. I appreciate you for following me and watching my tutorials. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button if you liked the video. If you didn't like it, you can give me a thumbs down. I don't care. I'm all about. I accept criticism. Share the video if you've gotten any value out of it, and if you have any comments, leave them below. Tick that bell icon. This way you don't miss out every time I publish a video. We talk about making money online. If this is something you're interested in, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. What else? Last but not least, the links are going to be in the description for Fiverr if you guys want to outsource your thumbnails or any graphics that you need done. I mean, they have services over there for like literally starting at $5. That's where the name Fiverr comes from. It comes from like $5. What else? I'm going to also put the link for Authority Hacker in the description below. I highly encourage you guys to check it out. It's incredible training, and it's definitely going to be worth your time. You're not going to feel like your time was wasted when you look at a course like this. It's absolutely incredible. Thank you guys so much. I hope to see you on the inside. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.